The United States has over 18,000 species of native plants. Flowering plants account for 3/4 of the species in the United States. The world's tallest growing tree is the coast redwood, which grows along the Pacific coast of the U.S. Some might wonder how these interesting plant facts were collected. Did scientists travel across the country manually tracking thousands of plant species? No. In fact, this information could be collected by ordinary citizens. Using a computer innovation called LeafSnap, citizen scientists can collect and provide information about various plants in their area. Using their app, users can snap a picture of plants they are curious about and receive information about the species of plant as well as its fruit, leaf, seed, and bark. If information about a certain plant is unavailable, users can upload observations about that plant, and scientists can use it to map and monitor the distribution of flora across the country. The effect of this innovation is raising societal awareness about biodiversity across the country and providing more information on the flora and fauna that inhabit areas in which users reside.